Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Omo Airy Spicy Kitchen. Today, guys, I'm going to be having a recipe of Ogbono soup. As you can see, the Ogbono soup is already cooking. I didn't start it up from the scratch, so it's already cooking. So right now, I've added my crayfish. I just have some few ingredients to complete this recipe. So I've added my crayfish, trying to mix it up together with the ogbono soup, try to make it dissolve into the soup. So after which, I'm going to leave it for a while to cook before adding the other things that are remaining. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't go anywhere and keep watching. Thank you. At this point, remember to reduce the heat of the fire that you're using. Okay, either gas or stove or firewood, just reduce it. So I've added my washed dried catfish. This is catfish I just included. You can add any dry fish of your choice. So I'm going to make sure the catfish gets used to the ogbono soup. They have to cooperate together. So I'm going to allow it to cook for a while before adding the last ingredients. When you are cooking ogbono soup, you have to be there. Don't go anywhere because it can get burned easily, you know? So you have to be with that pot of soup. Don't go far. I always be with your spoon or whatever. So here guys, here is my dried pumpkin leaf. It's dried one, so I soaked it up with warm water for 20 minutes. I have soaked it for 20 minutes now because I just want it to be a little soft before I can add it to the soup. As you can see, it's washed now. I'm adding it to the soup to give it that very beautiful look with vegetable. You can have your ogbono cooked without vegetable, it's also good. But I love to add vegetables on my own. And also you can add any vegetable of your choice. You can use bitter leaf or mix together with pumpkin leaf to your ogbono. Can give you another beautiful taste. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix together for it to dissolve into the soup. And after which I'll leave it for a while to cook so that the vegetable can be soft. Please guys, if you're here for the first time, you're just coming across my video, please don't fail to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you always be the first to be notified anytime I upload my videos. I so much appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, the lovers of Omeri Spicy Kitchen. Thank you for your comments, your support, your love. I appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you. You're all welcome. God bless you. We have come to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.